Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज के वीडियो में we are going to talk about Latafa Petra. Now Latafa Petra has become one of the most viral fragrances from Latafa and for all the good reasons. Like you can see the dent here, right? There is nothing that I want to explain in this. Like this is a viral fragrance for all the good reasons, and all those good reasons I'm going to tell you in today's review. So let's begin with the review. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया, you've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Let's start with the packaging first. It comes in this very nice white and blue box with Petra written right here in kind of like a matte gold finish. It has a nice pattern of blue flowers. It literally looks like a, that China crockery. To me, it looks very rich, looks very expensive crockery like, and it also kind of the color combination gives you a feel of like a Mediterranean or a vacation in Greece kind of a situation. Now the Latafa logo is here, and on here there is embossed effect also of this flowers going on. Here there is no embossed effect, but here there is embossed effect that's going on. Not sure if you can see, but the box is really pretty and it's almost plastic, it's not cardboard. So Latafa is like doing something different every single time. Yeah, this is the quality assurance sticker and the packaging is just amazing, very giftable packaging. And then here is your perfume sitting in. The cap is also maintaining that packaging, outer packaging. You can see the juice right here, and once you pull this is how the bottle looks like. Now you see there is this elevated platform on the inside of this bottle. That's also very interesting, kind of has like a stage within the bottle, so that's also very interesting. And the bottle is nice and heavy, the glass quality is amazing, and overall this packaging gets a 10 out of 10, be it outer packaging or be it the bottle. Both are beautiful. Purchased mine from ScentopiaPerfumes.com. I have non-affiliated coupon code if you're interested to get some discounts. It's Shriya5 and you can avail it on minimum order of 2,000. I'll leave all the details here. And this one, the MRP is around 5,000, but at ScentopiaPerfumes.com it's already on discount. It's coming to around 2,900. So almost 40% off पे already available है Scentopia पे. That's a very good deal. Plus आप मेरा coupon code use करके additional 5. It's a non-affiliated code. I'm not earning a penny out of it. Use it or not use it, your choice. Okay. So let's move on with the note structure and everything that I have experienced with Petra. Now the sprayer is really good on this one. I'm just going to spray this on my hand. This sprayer is so nice, diffuses the product really well and has a nice force to the atomizer, दो या तीन स्प्रे लगाने के बाद यू आर गुड टू गो. ये वैसा टाइप का परफ्यूम है, आपको ओवर स्प्रे करने की बिल्कुल नीड नहीं है. अच्छी पोटेंसी है इस फ्रेग्रेंस की. आई विल कम टू द परफॉर्मेंस में. आई एम जस्ट जंपिंग अराउंड फ्रॉम हियर टू देयर. लेट मी टॉक अबाउट द fragrance family, the notes and everything, and then I'll talk about the performance. So this perfume is from the category of fruity, tuberosy, white floral meets coconut and booze. Okay, that's the whole category that this fragrance belongs to. And it opens up with a rum and plum. That's like one of the most prominent notes in this perfume, which don't die. You will think that it will fade out in some time, but no. These two notes, they don't die out. Okay, they are there in the complete perfume journey, and that's what makes it very interesting. So rum and plum ki opening hai, and it does kind of give you a feel of, plum was dipped in rum and it was kind of kept for a long prolonged time. Proper boozy feel it's giving. Okay, so rum and plum से इसकी opening है. इसके बाद इसमें आता है coconut and tuberose. Now here's where the creaminess starts to build up. A nice sweet blend of white florals, like proper creamy white florals का इसमें feel start होता है. हल्का सा bubblegum effect भी आता है. Not everyone loves that bubblegum effect in tuberose, but most of the tuberose fragrances, when it mixes up with fruity notes and sweetness, it brings in that bubblegum effect. Then it has vanilla, musk and praline, जिसकी वजह से और sweetness इसमें add हो रही है. पर इसमें जो prominent notes हैं वो अभी भी रम, प्लम, ट्यूबरोज एंड कोकोनट ही रहते हैं. इसके जो बेस नोट्स हैं वो सिर्फ एक अच्छा, दे जस्ट टाई अप द फ्रेग्रेंस टुगेदर एंड ऐड इन द स्वीटनेस, बट द top notes and the mid notes are the most prominent notes in this perfume. Now what is the feel of this fragrance? The feel is very sexy. It literally smells like a sexy Mediterranean goddess. It smells like vacation in Greece. This is such a sophisticated, deep, dark floral fragrance in my opinion. You know, the white florals are bringing in that classy effect in this fragrance, but all the other notes combined together bring in a lot of depth and a lot of sexiness in this fragrance. Imagine that you're on a yacht and you're kind of exploring like the sea, and you're wearing this white and blue flowy dress which has floral hints on it, and your hair is flowy, and you just know that you are looking kind of like sexy in your own way. You are looking like a goddess. You're enjoying that salty breeze, you're enjoying that experience at yacht, and you are literally having and spending a luxurious experience with your friends and family. Like, this is exactly where this perfume takes me. It takes me to a Mediterranean vacation. This is said to be a dupe to Quattro Pizzi by Xerjoff. Have no idea. I have never experienced Xerjoff fragrances, and probably will never experience Xerjoff fragrances because they're just out of my budget. So I'm going to be very happy with all the dupes that are coming my way. Let's talk about the performance on this one. This is a massive performer, like massive performer. Around 5 to 6 sprays of this perfume gives me around 8+ hours of longevity. It leaves an intoxicating strong perfume trail, fills the room and keeps projecting the whole day. And this is a compliment getter. Like, although it is kind of like a not a safe blind buy because not everyone loves those boozy fragrances, but I wore this couple of times, and every time that I wore this I got a compliment. Okay, in office I got a compliment. I went for a lunch with my friends, I got compliments. I went for a dinner date, I got a compliment. So this is a compliment getter. People from different ages, men, women equally, like they both love this fragrance on me. And many people ask me also like which one is this, and they would want to gift it to their partner. So this is a hit fragrance. Okay, even when it is not a safe blind buy, it is a hit fragrance, and the performance is almost a beast mode on me. Like, this is a 100 out of 10 fragrance for me. Okay, I love this kind of sexy, deep, mysterious fragrances. I love loud fragrances, and these days I'm loving coconut fragrances. So I think I'm quite sorted with the kind of fragrance that this is. तो मैं बहुत शिद्दत से यूज़ करने वाली हूँ, और बहुत जल्दी ये जब यहाँ तक पहुँच जाएगा तो मैं इसका बैकअप भी खरीदने वाली हूँ. So this is a backup worthy bottle for me. So that's about it. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Petra has become viral for all the good reasons. Sometimes viral fragrances are meant to be viral, and they do justice to their name, they do justice to their viral nature and to the pricing and everything, and Petra is just there. So that's my overall take on Latafah Petra. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.